Look who's here! A dinosaur so amazing, he can make anyone laugh with just a roar. Hey Scribble Peeps, it's time to start. We're drawing a dino that's close to our heart. First, we begin with a circle so round. It's the dino's head, where joy can be found. Draw some lines to shape the body's might. A belly, a back, and a tail that's light. With a smile so wide and teeth that shine, our dino's grin is simply divine. Dots for the eyes and a nose that's bright. Our joyful friend's face is now just right. Scales are next, from head to tail. Like little dino jewels, they'll never fail. Draw the hands with a friendly stance, giving our dino a playful chance. Two strong legs are ready to stomp and play. Our dino's got the moves to brighten your day. That's enough with the rhymes. Our awesome sketch is complete. Now it's time to switch to marker lines and make our friend look truly neat. Grab your peeptacular markers and let's get started by tracing around the head and back. Next up, let's outline that big happy mouth and those awesome teeth. We want to show off just how cheerful our prehistoric friend is. Then, we can add the dots for the eyes and nose. These are the face finishing touches. That will give our dino his personality. Is there anything that says dino personality more than scales? Trace each one carefully to give our friend his stylish, scaly look from head to tail. Now, while we are drawing our strong but friendly dino, ready to stomp around and have some fun, did you know that the smallest dinosaur ever discovered was about the size of a chicken? Imagine a tiny dino running around, just like a little feathered friend. We are now at the finish line. Our friend is getting ready to roar and have some fun. And don't forget to add your own special touches. Maybe some colors to make him even more awesome. What do you think about colors I chose? Pretty awesome, right? And if you want more free videos as epic as this one, visit scribblepeeps.com. Bye!